Hello, students. Welcome to English class. I hope you all are doing great. Students, today I'll start a fresh chapter that is Unit 21 Adverbs. So, in this chapter, we are going to revise the kinds of adverb and formation of adverb. Means how many kinds of adverbs are there and how adverbs are formed. This we are going to revise in this chapter. So, okay, let us start. Let's begin. Children, what do you mean by adverb? What is this adverb? How can you explain adverb? Children, there is a very simple technique. If you want to know the meaning of any word, just break that word. आपको उस break को word को break करना है. For example, adverb. I will break this adverb into two parts. The first part is add and the second part is verbs. It means adding something to the verb refers to adverb. Adding something to the verb refers to adverb. Means we are adding something to the meaning of verb. हमें verb की meaning में कुछ add करना refers to adverb. It also adds to the meaning of an adjective or another adverb. Adverb किसी adjective के meaning में भी कुछ add करता है और दूसरे adverb में भी add करता है. मतलब हमें अगर verb को बताना है कि what is the verb doing, verb क्या कर रहा है, कहाँ पर है, किस तरह से है. If we want to know more about verb, then we use adverb. Verb में कुछ भी add करना, verb की meaning को और clarify करना refers to adverbs. Now let's see some of the examples. Examples: the deer ran swiftly. What is the verb? Ran is the verb. और ran किस तरह से deer run किया? He ran swiftly मतलब quickly, बिल्कुल जल्दी से. सेकेंड, द मिल्क इज़ टू हॉट फॉर मी टू ड्रिंक. मिल्क इज़ हॉट ये तो पता है, इज़, लेकिन कितना हॉट है? टू हॉट फॉर मी टू ड्रिंक. थर्ड, शी राइट्स वेरी नीटली. शी राइट्स वेरी नीटली. सी, राइट इज द वर्ब एंड वेरी नीटली इज द एडवर्ब. वो किस तरह से लिखती है? शी राइट्स वेरी नीटली मीन्स इट इज एडिंग समथिंग टू द वर्ब टू क्लैरिफाई द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ब. वर्ब की मीनिंग को क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए, उसको इंडिकेट करने के लिए कि वर्ब एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहा है, क्या पोजिशन पे है, क्या कहाँ पर है, वी यूज एडवर्ब. So children, in this chapter you are going to study the kinds of adverb. Children, there are basically five kinds of adverb that you are going to read in this chapter. Let's start with the first one. Adverb of manner. Now what is adverb of manner? इसको हम लोग how adverb भी बोलते हैं. It tells us how or in what manner the action is performed. ये हमें बताता है कि किस तरह से action perform हुआ है या हो रहा है. For example, he behaved terribly. Behave is the verb and how he behaved? He behaved terribly. बता रहा है कि किस तरह से, how the adverb is behaving. Second, Ishu danced gracefully. Dance is your verb. और ईशु ने किस तरह डांस किया? She danced gracefully. It is adding something to the meaning of verb. Third, sit quietly and listen attentively. Sit quietly. हम लोग सिर्फ sit भी बोल सकते थे. Sit is also an a verb. और sit किस तरह से बैठना है? Quietly. You have to sit quietly and listen attentively. Children, in a sentence there can be more than one adverbs also. Listen attentively. Listen is the verb and how to listen? Listen attentively. मतलब ये बता रहा है कि how the verb will perform an action or how or in what manner an action is being performed by the verb. Now, the underlined adverbs give us the answer how the action is done. ये जितने भी underlined words थे ये हमें बताता है कि किस तरह से how the action is done. Second, we have adverb of place. Means it is called as where adverb. Place means कहाँ पे. It tells us where or at what place an action is done. ये हमें बताता है कि कहाँ पे या किस जगह पे वो action perform हुआ है. This refers to adverb of place. For example, don't go outside. कहाँ पे नहीं जाना है? Outside नहीं जाना है, बाहर मत जाओ. I am going upstairs. Where I am going? I am going upstairs. They will wait here. Where will they wait? They will wait here. So it is giving the answer of where. जब भी हम पूछ रहे हैं कि ये कहाँ हो रहा है, ये वर्ब कहाँ काम कर रहा है, तो ये यहाँ काम कर रहा है. इट इज गिविंग आंसर ऑफ वेयर. नाउ द थर्ड वन, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज व्हेन एडवर्ब. इसे हम लोग व्हेन एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. इट टेल्स अस व्हेन और एट व्हाट टाइम एन एक्शन इज डन. हम लोगों ने एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर सीखा, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस सीखा, एंड नाउ वील प्रोसीड विद एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. मीन्स कब, किस टाइम ये एक्शन हो रहा है. व्हेन द एक्शन इज परफॉर्म्ड, किस टाइम ये हो रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, इट इज रेनिंग नाउ. व्हेन इट इज रेनिंग, इट इज रेनिंग नाउ. He will go to the dentist tomorrow. When will he go to the dentist? Tomorrow. We are getting the answer of when. हमें when का आंसर मिल रहा है. इसको हम लोग एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम कहते हैं कि किस टाइम, किस समय the verb is, sorry, the action is going on. See you soon. Soon. See you when? See you soon. So the underlined adverbs give us the answer when the action is done. तो ये when का आंसर हमें दे रहा है. Next we have the fourth one, adverb of frequency. Frequency means how often. It tells how frequently an action is done. ये हमें बताता है कि कितनी frequently, कब कब कितने intervals में action perform हो रहा है. For example, I take exercise daily in the morning. How often you take exercise? I take exercise daily in the morning. Means कब ये काम करते हो, कितने intervals में काम करते हो. Daily, never, very often, always, ये सारे आ जाते हैं adverb of frequency में. She never tell a lie. She never tells a lie. So how often she tells a lie? She never tells a lie. He often goes for shopping with his mother. See, these underlined words, they are adverb of frequency. They give the answer of how often an action is done. Now we have the fifth one, adverb of degree. It means how much or to which extent, कितना और किस extent तक. It tells how much or in what degree an action is done. For example, extremely, almost, so. I am extremely glad to meet you. How much or to what extent, to which extent you are glad? I am extremely glad. किस हद तक. Which extent means किस हद तक. This book is almost complete. To what extent या to which extent this book is complete? This book is almost complete means कितना. How can you be so careless? See, these are the underlined words. They give the answer of how much an action is done. So these were the kinds of adverb, and now we are going to see the exercises. So there are certain exercises based on the above explanation. So in the next video I'll discuss the exercises. I hope till here it is clear to everybody. That is, the kinds of adverbs are clear to everybody. Thank you.